Sales by item report. You can access this report from Items, Reports, Sales by item. You can select the date range. You can select monthly, quarterly, yearly, month to date, quarter to date, year to date, life to date, custom to date, last month, last quarter, last year. If you select custom date, you can select particular date range. If you select all, system will display all date range sales by item report. You can select items. You can select particular item. You can select range of items. If you don't select any item, system will display all item sales. You can select item category. You can select particular category, range of categories. If you don't select any item category, system will display all item category sales. You can select status of the item. You can select active item, inactive item, or both items. From item type, you can select service item, physical items, or both items. From style, you can select summary or detail. From costing method, you can select average cost or last cost. If you want to include credit notes, you can check this checkbox. First, we will generate detailed report. From sales by item report, you can view item sales with item cost, gross profit, and gross profit percentage. In detailed sales by item report, sales categorized by item, you can view transaction date, transaction number, customer, quantity sold, total cost, total selling price, gross profit amount, and gross profit percentage. You can view each item-wise total and grand total. If you check credit notes include, you can include credit notes to the report. We'll uncheck credit note checkbox again and refresh. Now credit notes not available in the report. Furthermore, you can generate sales by item report based on average cost or last cost. If you select average cost, system will calculate gross profit based on average cost. If you select last cost, system will calculate gross profit based on last cost. We will check our item list report. In list of items, you can see H001 item, average cost is 2,928 cents 57. Last cost is 3,500. We'll select average cost and refresh. In first invoice, cost is 2,500. Second invoice, cost is 2,928 cents 57. We will generate sales by item report based on last cost. Refresh. In this report, total cost is 3,500. Average cost 2,928,757. Last cost is 3,500. You can see the total cost difference when you generate based on average cost and last cost. Gross profit amount and gross profit percentage also calculated based on average cost and last cost. Average cost basis report, gross profit is 2,500 and 2,071 cents 43. Based on last cost, gross profit is 1,500. Next, we will generate summary report. In summary report, you can see one line for one item. In detailed report, each transaction has a line. However, in summary report, one line for one item. In this report, you can view item, quantity sold, total cost, total selling, gross profit amount and gross profit percentage. You can view grand total, and if you generate the report based on last cost, system will calculate total cost from last cost and gross profit amount will calculate from last cost. You can click that line item and you can view detail, and by clicking this transaction you can view the original document. Furthermore, you can export this report to PDF, Excel or CSV. You can print or email this report.